without further ado, guys, let's show you guys the new wrap for my 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. You guys don't even understand how many headshots it took me to get this red tiger camo on the car. We're going for gold now, baby. That's it. That's it.
And I'm only level 11.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little like kind of preview montage kind of thing that I did there, a little edit showing you guys the new Scat Pack wrap. I hope you guys like it. But yeah, I have a lot to talk about with it. It's taken me quite a while and I did it all myself. So there's a lot of mistakes and a lot of issues that I kind of learned and that I improved on as I went. But that in the background, like, I don't know, it pops so much. The amount of looks that I've been getting from people is insane. Just driving around, kids in school buses, just kids, you know, seeing it in general.
It's quite a car you've got out there. Thanks. Would you have a seat?
They love it. You know, I love it. It pops, it stands out. It's so different. Now, I know in places like Florida, Texas, California, places where people modify cars more like that, you're gonna see a lot of these. Even in like cities like Chicago, stuff like that, you're gonna see a lot more wraps like this on Chargers and just wraps like this in general. You're gonna get these really like bright pop wraps like this. But around here, I don't think I've ever seen anyone with a wrap that looks like this, or a wrap that really stands out and pops like this. Is so different. You know, there's some people who have like just a little bit of a bright one with like some teal or something like that. Locally, just, you know, a little bit different, kind of like a matte metallic wrap. You know, some people have that, but for the most part, no one around here where I live has anything like this. So me driving around is like, it gets looks everywhere, which is awesome because as you guys see up on the front, we got the BJP Lifestyle banner. We got the little ones on the side. I'm gonna order bigger ones because these ones kind of aren't cutting it. You see they're like 9 inches or something. I think I'm gonna probably go out to like here and like a little bit bigger because at the end of the day, this car is going to become just basically an advertising tool for the channel. So when I'm driving around, you know, it can help promote it for whoever sees it, likes it, whatever. I want to keep up with the build and check it out here on the channel. And you know, they can. And I'm not saying for you guys, if you're watching this and you just found the channel off this video and you're checking this out and you're not subscribed, why? Click the subscribe button down below. We do videos like this all the time. But like I said, I did do this myself and it actually came out pretty good. I say it came out pretty good, but there's a lot of mistakes and stuff that I can tell and that you guys will be able to tell if you look up close. But it's meant if you squint, baby. It's meant if you squint. That's all we care about, right? But yeah, it's really not that bad. I mean, there's some spots that could be better. You know, I might go back and fix them up, but I did have to go back and redo the back, which is why this video took a little bit longer. I originally was planning on having this whole thing done, and then basically I got to about this piece probably, if this, and I ran out of wrap. Now, I bought a lot of wrap. So my initial plan was red like this, and then gray blotch, smaller gray blotches on top of that, and then smaller white ones on top of that. So basically 3 layers of wrap kind of staggered everywhere, and to kind of make it more layered. But as I finished the red and as I got the front half of the red done, everyone including myself was like, just keep it like that. Like, that looks so good with just the red and the black. And I'm thinking for thumbnails that they might be right, because if you look at the red, it looks like it's a red car with black blotches kind of going on, and reverse if you look at the black. So it's really, really cool, and I like how it looks, and I think I did a really good job for my first time wrapping. Like I said, there's some spots I had to go back and redo, but for the most part, you know, I feel like I killed it. And it, obviously, like I said, it could be better. There's spots that could be better, a lot of places that could be better, but for the most part, I did a pretty good job for my first time, and I'm very happy with it. Now, one thing to note is I did this in my parents' driveway, so I don't have a garage, literally just in the driveway. The weather has been either really hot or really cold. It's been rainy. It's been, you know, it hasn't been great for me. So it's been a little bit difficult to get it done, especially when it's windy. You know, like, I'm fighting against the elements here, so like obviously you're never gonna get a perfect wrap when you're wrapping in your driveway with minimal experience, minimal tools, and just kind of figuring that out as you go. But like I said, a lot of the big pieces I kind of figured out and got them down nice. which is what really matters and what's important. You know, the small details. The only people who are going to see that are going to be you guys and people at like car meets and stuff like that that are going to look up close, where, you know, at the end of the day, I'm so proud of my work, and at the end of the day, I did it myself, where a lot of people can't say that, and that they had to go and get it done. So I did this all myself as like a learning process, and you know, there's imperfections and whatever, but I own those. You know, like I said, I did it without a garage, anything, just in the wind basically, and I think it came out pretty damn good. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below what you think, and basically what I'm planning to do, I think, is maybe update it in the future with the gray and the white, but for now I'm just loving the red and black. It just pops so well. And of course, the main thing with the red and black, right, you pop this door open. Of course, we got the tint too. I don't know if you guys have seen that since, but you pop that door open, and what do we have inside? Red and black. We got the bloody guts interior. So that kind of just flows out with the red and the black. You see, we got the whole thing just red and black right now. And we do have a lot more coming for it. I say we, and I mean me and you guys on the channel, because there's gonna be tons of content on it. But yeah, there's tons and tons more that I need to do still. But it's, you know, it's coming along. The wrap looks good, I hope. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. Should I do the gray and the white, or should I just keep it how it is right now? And if I should keep the gray and the white, or if I should do the gray and white, or if I should just keep the red, because personally I think the red just really pops a lot more than pretty much anything else right now, and I think in the thumbnails is really where it's going to pop off. That's kind of a problem that I was seeing. I think when you're on YouTube, right, and you're scrolling and you're looking for Scat Pack videos or Charger videos or anything like that, just car videos in general, you're more likely to click on something that pops. So before I had the white Jeep, which really popped off because, you know, white and black, it just looked really good, like stormtrooped out. And in the thumbnails, that white really stood out against everything and popped. Now, my problem with this is if you're just scrolling through YouTube and you're looking for videos to watch, or you're getting recommended on your homepage, people are less likely to click on just an all black car because it's just a blacked out car. You know, there's nothing special to it. It doesn't stand out amongst the rest, where something like this, it's a complete one of one. Like there's never going to be another replica exact like this, you know? Every piece was hand cut by me and placed and pieced together and stuck on and whatever. So there's never going to be another one exactly like it. So it's a one of one, and of course with the red, it's popping off. I also want you guys to let me know, and let me know your opinions down below. Right now I have the 392 Hemi here on the side with the red and the black, which I like that it's red and black. My problem is it has chrome around everywhere. So I have black 392 letters, but I could send those back, return those, get red 392 letters without the chrome, just flat, and then either just do 392 or 392 Hemi. I was gonna just do black on black. That way it kind of just, you know, stealths in a little bit more and just kind of brings your attention more to the wrap, but it still says 392, so you still know that it's not just, you know, a wimpy little guy, you know? It's not just a little V6, baby. There's a Scat. So that's one thing. Another thing is down here with the snorkels. I don't know if you guys think I should do LEDs. You can see this one's a little bit scratched up. You think I should do LEDs, or should I paint them to match this with the same red? I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet about that, but I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what your opinions are on that. But it's looking good. It's come so far since I got it already. I'll pop a picture up on the screen right now what it looked like when I bought it. Bone stock, basically completely unmolested, which is exactly what I looked for when I wanted this, because I wanted one that I could just put my touch on and my taste and ruin it how I want to ruin it. So this Scat Pack badge, I want to get something done about this because it's got chrome and whatever, and I think I want to get something custom. So I'll see what I'm going to do about that, but I might get a little custom badge there, which in turn is gonna, you know, wrap around to the back where it says Charger in black letters over here, which I like because this is basically what the 392 will look like, because it's basically stealthed on there, you know, just black on black. That's the 392 that I have, is the same as that. And then I guess I could always look for a Scat Pack badge that's just kind of all black or something. Maybe I can get a custom one that's like red or something. Not really sure yet. But yeah, guys, the wrap is on and it's coming together, and I love how it looks. Like, I'm so happy to drive this every day because it's loud, it's fast, and now the wrap is loud. And it gets so many looks just from people. Like, I see grandmas looking at it, like they're like breaking their necks to look at it. Because like I said, no one around here has anything like this. I've never seen any car look like this anywhere near me, like at all. And the great thing about it is I can just rip it off whenever, if I want to switch it up, go to a different color or whatever. But for now, this is the 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack for the channel. And this is the wrap that's on it. So yeah, if you have any questions about how I did it or anything, I am going to be doing like a how to DIY camo wrap your car video, where I'll show you guys how to cut a piece and place it and everything like that. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested in kind of doing this own thing to your car, either Charger, Jeep, whatever you guys may have, because you can do this with any color or any color combinations, because you do multiple and layer it. You do different shapes. You don't have to do like blobs and do camo. You could do like triangles or squares or, you know, whatever, kind of get creative with it, which is something that I love. As you guys may know, that like creative like things is kind of what I do for a living. So I also want to show you guys how funny this is. So this hoodie here, I made this on like Shop Lifestyle. This is like a lifestyle hoodie, of course, and I made this kind of all over print. So basically it's going to be a white hoodie, and then the hood has kind of the pattern, which even has the white and the gray, as I was going to do. You guys can see the black and the red basically with the white all kind of tied in. It's got the lifestyle logo there. The pocket on it has the same exact pattern, you know, all over, and it looks really good. And it's funny that I had made this, and this, I had no intentions of wrapping it like this when I made this. I still had the Jeep. So it's really funny that I had this and made this way before, and then I have it now, you know. So yeah, make sure you smash that like button down below if you did enjoy the video or you like the wrap. You know, don't dislike it if you don't like the wrap. Just let me know in the comments below why. What don't you like about it? Is it too flashy for you? What is it? Let me know. But do smash the like button either way to help the YouTube algorithm, help this video out to more people, and of course help the channel grow. On that same note, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button down below right now to be notified when new videos go live. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. here on the channel. Of course, check out Shop Lifestyle, get yourself some lifestyle merch. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
I feel like I am losing control, 'cause it feels